In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload fonts in Canva. If you are aiming for consistent, on-brand designs, bringing your own typefaces into Canva is a simple way to make everything feel cohesive. Before we begin, a quick note on access. Font uploads are available on Canva Pro, Teams, Education, and nonprofit accounts. If you are on a free plan, you'll need one of those tiers to follow along. Make sure you have your font files ready on your computer or device. Canva supports TTF, OTF, and WOFF formats. It's also important to confirm you have the proper license to use and upload the font, especially for commercial work. If your font download came as a compressed folder, extract it first so the actual font files are visible. From the Canva homepage, look to the left side panel and click the brand icon. This opens your branding tools, including your brand kits. If you manage multiple brands, choose the specific brand kit where you want this font to live. In a team environment, you may need admin or editor permissions to make changes to a brand kit, so check with your team owner if you don't see the option to edit. Inside the brand kit, scroll to the Fonts section. Click Add New, then select Upload a Font. Your file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your font is stored and select the appropriate file. If your typeface has multiple weights or styles like regular, bold, or italic, upload each file individually so they're all available when designing. After selecting the file, Canva will prompt you to confirm licensing. Read the prompt, and if you have the rights to use the font, click Yes. Upload away. Canva will process the file and add it to your brand kit. This can take a moment depending on the file size. Once the upload completes, your font will appear under your brand kit's fonts section. The next time you create or open a design, you'll find it in the font dropdown, often grouped under Uploaded or within your brand kit list. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh your browser and try again. If an upload fails, double-check that the file type is TTF, OTF, or WOFF and that the file isn't corrupted. Also verify that your account level supports uploads and that you have the necessary team permissions. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.